How to start a running your used auto parts business. Starting a used auto parts business can be an excellent way to make money and prevent older car parts ending up in landfills. In addition to helping the environment, you can assist people who cannot afford brand new car parts to keep their cars in working condition. Number 1. Connect with existing businesses. Local businesses, such as tow truck companies, junkyards and insurance companies, can help you find used car parts. Insurance companies may be willing to sell you parts of a vehicle to recoup some of their money, especially when selling the entire vehicle is not a practical option. Number 2. Buy scrap vehicles. When a car gets totaled, there may be many valuable working parts left on the vehicle. Sometimes it may be worth it to buy an entire scrap vehicle so you can get a breakdown of motor and body parts for a specific make and model. Number 3. Advertise your business to the public. Advertise online, on the radio, and in local newspapers. If you can afford it, consider placing a commercial on a local TV channel. Use flyers, business cards, and word-of-mouth advertising to inform people about your business. Run special promotions to celebrate your grand opening. Number 4. Establish repeat business. One of the main goals of any business to establish a reliable customer base who will bring in repeat business. This can be particularly difficult with used auto parts businesses because the needs of customers are intermittent and specific. However, you could offer a repeat customer discount, a frequent buyer card, or other special offers to entice customers to come back. Number 5. Manage and monitor your inventory. The success of your used auto parts business relies on managing your inventory. If customers don't find what they need at your business, they will happily shop elsewhere. Staying profitable in the field of used auto parts requires you keep an extensive selection of parts for a wide variety of vehicles at all times. Number 6. Control your cash flow. Monitor the flow of cash in and out of your business. Make sure you don't spend more acquiring the parts than you make selling them. Make sure you account for the other costs your business incurs from day-to-day operations when pricing your products.